soft earth beneath my wandering feet. I plant my hopes where love and spirit meet, the seeds of faith in soil I trust, to turn my visions into dust, and dust to trust. In this garden of dreams, I'll sow my light, turning shadows into bloom at night, where beauty grows from what I've known. I'll build my heaven from what's my own. From what's my own. Hands to the earth, heart to the sky. I learn to dream, I learn to try. Through roots of patience, truth unfolds, a quiet strength the world upholds. Every breath a sacred start, each dream a map within the heart. In stillness I create the way, where love and purpose softly stay. In this garden